Welcome to my healing channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating stories behind the foods that not only tease our taste buds but also contribute to our well-being. In orchards bathed in golden light, persimmons gleam, a luscious sight. Their skin, a sunset's warm embrace, nature's gift, a sweet, sweet grace. Today, we're exploring the history and health benefits of a fruit that's been delighting palates for centuries. Persimmons. Our journey begins in ancient China, where persimmons were considered the divine fruit, and were cherished by emperors and scholars alike. The fruit made its way along the Silk Road, enchanting taste buds across Asia and Europe. Persimmons have been cultivated for over 2,000 years. Their name comes from the Greek word persikon, meaning peach-like. Persimmons were brought to California in the mid-1800s during the Gold Rush era. Today, China and Japan are the leading producers of persimmons worldwide. Beneath the boughs of ancient trees, whispers dance on autumn's breeze. Hachia and Fuyu, side by side, in nature's gallery, a painter's pride. Persimmons' unique flavors and textures perfect for fresh eating, baking, jams, and even cocktails. Persimmons as morning air, a vibrant jewel, beyond compare. With every bite, a burst of sun, a symphony of flavors, life begun. Stay tuned for the end of the video, where I'll be whipping up a mouth-watering persimmon recipe and my jokes that you won't want to miss. Persimmons have been a symbol of longevity and good fortune throughout history, appearing in folklore, art, and even traditional medicine. Now, let's peel into the health benefits that have made this fruit stand the test of time. Why should you eat persimmons? These fruits are loaded with health-promoting compounds. Persimmons are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K. They also contain important minerals such as potassium and manganese. Dietary fiber. Persimmons are high in dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gastrointestinal system. In fibered robes, a healthful tale, digestive winds, they gently sail. Antioxidant power. Loaded with antioxidants, persimmons help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall health. Heart health. The high fiber content in persimmons contributes to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. Additionally, potassium in persimmons supports blood pressure regulation, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Immune system support. Persimmons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system. Anti-inflammatory properties. Certain compounds in persimmons, including tannins and flavonoids, possess anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help reduce inflammation in the body, contributing to overall well-being. Weight management. The combination of dietary fiber and low-calorie content in persimmons makes them a satisfying and nutritious snack. Including persimmons in a balanced diet may aid in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. Eye health. Vitamin A, found in persimmons, is essential for maintaining healthy vision. It plays a crucial role in preventing eye disorders and supports the overall health of the eyes. Blood sugar regulation. Persimmons have a moderate glycemic index and may help regulate blood sugar levels. Bone health. The presence of vitamin K in persimmons is important for bone health. Vitamin K is involved in bone metabolism and helps maintain strong and healthy bones. Studies show compounds in persimmons can suppress tumor growth and induce cancer cell death. With a deliciously sweet flavor and an abundance of nutrients, persimmons are a tasty addition to a healthy diet. As with any dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health conditions. Healthy persimmon pudding. Healthy persimmon pudding. Recipe. Ingredients: 2 ripe persimmons, peeled and pureed, 1 cup oat flour, 1/2 cup almond flour, 1/4 cup coconut flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup unsweetened apple sauce, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a pudding mold or a baking dish with coconut oil. Prepare persimmon puree. Peel the persimmons and remove any seeds. Puree the persimmons in a blender or food processor until smooth. Dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, mix together oat flour, almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Wet ingredients. In another bowl, beat the eggs and then add the persimmon puree, maple syrup, or honey, apple sauce, and vanilla extract. Mix well until all the wet ingredients are well combined. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Do not overmix. If desired, fold in chopped nuts. Bake. Pour the batter into the greased pudding mold or baking dish. Bake in the preheated oven for about 30–35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool, slice and serve. Optional. Serve with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Very nutritious and delicious. This healthy persimmon pudding is a delightful treat that combines the natural sweetness of persimmons with wholesome ingredients. Let us savor, bite by bite, the poetry of persimmons, pure and bright. A symphony of flavors, a dance of rhyme, in every season, a taste of time. And now it is time for my persimmon jokes. Who is persimmon's first cousin? A ripe tomato. Why did the persimmon break up with the tomato? Because it couldn't match up his ketchup. What did the tomato say to the persimmon during their race? Come on, persimmon, you need to catch up. I'm already in a red saucy ketchup. How did the persimmon cheer up the sad tomato? It said, don't be so saucy, things will turn ripe, you will be in a tomato soup soon. Persimmon and tomato magic contest. Tomato can be a fruit, a vegetable, and turn into a red ketchup. Persimmon can be a fruit, and turn into a pudding, and the mystery guest at dessert table. What are similarities between persimmon and tomato? They both are bright, juicy and plump. From ancient lands to modern days, persimmons weave in myriad ways. A poet's fruit, a chef's delight, in every season, pure delight. Stay happy and healthy. Let nutritious, organic food be your medicine. Please watch my next nutritious video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.